Kini Ẹsẹ Musulumi Yoruba Lọdọ kan Afenifere tẹ́ fi gbogbo tó wà tó báyìí. Kini ẹsẹ wa? Kí lẹ̀ṣẹ̀ Mùsùlùmí?
There were rumors that we were hearing from the non-Muslims, the Christians, that they are the one from the south here. They are the one that are going to run this government with him, and they will ruin it.
Jesus ni o, sport process tẹ́lẹ̀yẹlẹ́ ni o, everywhere wọ́n gbà kọ́mọ Mùsùlùmí ló dá.
Sharia is part of Islam. If they don't know, the ignorance is this. Islam is two things: faith and practices.
Kí la fi ṣe yín? Ọmọ wa ò lé olórí pọ́ọ̀bù, ọmọ wa ò lé olórí ìdáàbò. Tẹ́wọ́n bá tó dé sùkú yẹn tó ní kọ́ parúkú ẹ̀dá. Kí ló dé?
As we are not fighting with anybody, but we are asking for the right, and we are reminding our president the promise he has given to Nigerians.
Gbogbo ntẹ́ ń ṣe lóru, gbẹ́jẹ́ pé Mùsùlùmí ní ṣe ìṣọ́ òru tí ẹ̀ ká àjẹkẹ́lómi ọ̀gbádùn ogún òtí gbé ba nílẹ̀ Yorùbá. Kí ló dé? Ẹ̀jẹ̀ ká gbọ́ ọ̀gbádùn lọ́dọ̀ ariwo, ẹ̀jẹ̀ káwọn èèyàn sùn. Síbẹ̀síbẹ̀ náà ẹ̀rí yẹn sí kankan tàwa Mùsùlùmí àní kí lẹ́sẹ̀ wa. Gbogbo ohun tí wọ́n sọ kọ́ ni mo lè rí sọ́tán, ṣùgbọ́n ìbéèrè tí mo fẹ́ béèrè ni pé kí ni Ẹsẹ Musulumi Yoruba lọ́dọ̀ kan Afenifere tẹ́ fi gbogbo tó wà tó báyìí? Kí ni ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ wa? Kí lẹ̀ṣẹ̀ Mùsùlùmí? Afenifere àtàgbàlagbà àtọmọdé wọn, kan àtàgbàlagbà àtọmọdé wọn, kí lẹ̀ṣẹ̀ Mùsùlùmí ilẹ̀ Yorùbá tó fi rí báyìí? Kí ló dé? Ṣé àwa ẹ̀yin kan ẹ tó mọ báíbù yìí ju àwọn tó ti ṣáájú yín lọ láwọn orílẹ̀-èdè mi? Ẹ̀yin Afẹ́nifẹ́re ẹ tó mọ ju bàbá tí wọ́n bí yín lẹ́gbẹ́ ìsìláàmù lọ́pọ̀lọpọ̀ ní wọ́n bí ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ yín kẹ́ ẹ tó kò ń bẹ̀ lọ́nú ẹ̀sìn mi. Gbogbo ọ̀nà tí gbógun ti wá, kí lẹ̀ṣẹ̀ wa? Ṣẹ̀ríà tó ti wà látọdún mọ́dún òun lẹ́ ń ta kò ní ìsìn. Ṣé torí ẹ̀kọ́ tẹ́ ẹ ní? Ṣé torí owó tẹ́ ẹ ní? Ṣé torí ipò tẹ́ ẹ ní? Ṣé torí gbajúmọ̀ tẹ́ ẹ ní? Ilẹ̀ fi ń ta kò wá báyìí. Ẹ gbàgbé pé ọlá yẹn ẹ̀ẹ̀dá ní o, owó yẹn ẹ̀ẹ̀dá ní o, ipò yẹn ẹ̀ẹ̀dá ní o. Ọlọ́run tẹ́ ń ta kò yìí, tẹ́ ń ta kò fi hàn ló fún yín o. Ẹ sì mọ̀ kó lè gbà anytime. Tí ó bá gbà ntí ọgbà ń bọ̀ yọ gba ọlá yọ gba ipò ẹ̀mọ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀. Kí la fi ṣe yín? Ọmọ wa ò lé lónìí kọ́ọ̀bù, ọmọ wa ò lé lónìí ìjáàbù. Tọ́wọ́n bá tó dé sùkú yín ẹ̀ tó ní kọ́ parúkú ẹ̀dá. Kí ló dé? Ntí òfin ilẹ̀ wa ti sọ pé ká ṣe ẹ̀ ń ta kù. Ẹ má sì gbàgbé pé òfin constitution Nàìjíríà tẹ̀yìn táàkò yìí tó ti sọ̀rọ̀ ń pa ṣẹ̀ríà, òfin yẹn náà lọ́gbẹ̀yìn náà wọlé o. Òfin yẹn náà lò fún yín tí wọ́n fi dìbò fún yín wọlé, whether you be president, governor, whatever the position you are. Òfin constitution Nàìjíríà náà wọ́n fi gbé ọ wọlé, ìlọ́wọ́ ń táàkò tẹlòmíì. Ní àwọn ìlú tọ́lọ ní wọ́n gbádùn dáadáa bẹ́ẹ̀ ti jókòó yìí nìsín, pẹ̀sẹ̀ tí wọ́n gbàdúrà pé tí wọ́n ṣàdúrà pé ọmọ rẹ̀ lọ Dubai tí ò ní sàmì rẹ o, ọmọ rẹ̀ lọ Saudi tí ò ní sàmì rẹ o, ọmọ rẹ̀ lọ Kuwait, Emirates, Oman, Qatar, Bahrain tí ò ní sàmì rẹ o. Kí ló dé? Ṣé bí ṣẹ̀ríà yìí ni wọ́n ń lò lọ́hùn-ún torí tí ìgbésí ayé wọn fi dá tó fi rọrùn láti gbé? Kí ló ṣe yín ẹ̀yin ẹlẹ́sìn mi nílẹ̀ Yorùbá tẹ́ ń takò àwa Mùsùlùmí? Ní ìsìn nílẹ̀ ní UK ọlọ́pàá United Kingdom ó ń lo ìdáàbò ọlọ́pàá lórí uniform. Mo ti rí pilot obìnrin tó wà fúnlé nìkan lórí orí plane tí wọ́n sì yà obìnrin pilot tí ń wa plane wọn sọ pé kò rí náà o wáyé lọ́dọ̀ tí wọ́n mi tó fi lé tó àníkílẹ̀ṣẹ̀ wáṣẹ́ usage ni o school of nurse tẹ́lẹ̀yẹlé ni o everywhere wọ́n gbà kọ́mọ mùsùlùmí ó lo ìdáàbò ẹ̀yin sì ń fi ìdáàbò lórí subhanallah. Ní Amẹ́ríkà ọ̀gá wa kan ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ dé ó rìtáyà ní Texas Christian University Islamic law ni wọ́n gbà kọ́tọ́ ń kọ́ ń bẹ̀ o wọ́n sì tó gbà láàyè láti fún wọn nílẹ̀ mọ́ṣáláṣí ní Texas Christian University tí wọ́n ń kírun bẹ̀ ṣé bẹ́ẹ̀ lórí lọ́dọ̀ wa ń bí ṣé bẹ́ẹ̀ lórí St. Philip ṣé bẹ́ẹ̀ lórí káàkiri kí ló dé kí lẹ́sẹ̀ wa tẹ́fi kó rira wa tó báyìí ẹ̀tọ́ wa ní ṣẹ̀ríà Ọlọ́run ó sì fún wa huwa alladhi arsala rasulahu bil huda wa dinil haqq yíyá ara dín ní kìlì wala kara lil mushrikun. Ọlọ́run ni ó ń sọ pé òun ló ń ní ṣẹ̀ríà òun ló ń sì gbé kalẹ̀ fáwọn ẹ̀dá àwọn àwa ẹ̀dá yìí ọ̀tá ara wa ni wá mi sọ pé ọ̀rẹ́ sọ̀rẹ́ o mi sọ pé ìpàsábúrò o ìwọ gẹ́gẹ́ fúnra rẹ tó bá ń kọ ṣẹ̀ríà ọ̀tá ara rẹ ní ọ́ torí pé tí ó tún gbèsè ayé rẹ ṣe lọ ń ta kò yẹn lérí ló ti ń ti lo ṣẹ̀ríà tí gbèsè ayé wọn ò ní dá kò sílùú náà lẹ́fí ń sá lọ Saudi lẹ́fí ń lá Saudi gbogbo òdúndú bọ́tà kò yẹn gọ́ọ̀fù mẹ́fẹ̀ẹ̀fà lẹ́fí ń sá lọ bẹ̀ torí pé gbèsè ayé wọn dá lẹ́fí ń sá lọ bẹ̀ Ọlọ́run ọba gbogbo ẹni tó bá ń gbọ́ ẹ pìrìpì àti dáwọn ìbéèrè yẹn pé kí ni ẹ̀sẹ̀ àwa mùsùlùmí sépò tó wà àwọn gọ́fúnà nílẹ̀ Yorùbá wọ́n ń takò gbogbo ń tẹ́ ń ṣe lóru gbẹ́jẹ́ pé mùsùlùmí ní ṣe ìṣọ́ òru tí tá a jẹ́ kẹ́lómi ọ̀gbádùn ogún ó ti gbé ba nílẹ̀ Yorùbá kí ló dé ẹ jẹ́ ká dúpọ̀ ọ̀gbádùn pẹ̀lú ariwo ẹ jẹ́ káwọn èèyàn ó sùn síbẹ̀síbẹ̀ náà ẹ ní yẹn sí kankan tàwa mùsùlùmí àní kílẹ̀ṣẹ̀ wa Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah.
To use this opportunity to talk to our president. We know his ability. And people know that he can do better. But after the result of the election, there were rumors that we are hearing from the non-Muslims, the Christians, that they are the one from the south here. They are the one that are going to run this government with him, and they will ruin it. And look at what we are having today. Leave petrol alone. Imagine NEPA bill that was 50,000 to a household 2 months ago is now 380,000 naira. Where are we heading to? Another danger is that Nigerian state is at stake because they suggested that Nigeria will get disintegrated in 2015. It didn't happen, and they have put it at 2030 now from the forces that doesn't want Nigeria to be. And when they want to bring that problem, they bring when they want to do execute this project, they bring problems, create problem where there's no problem at all. In Yoruba land, we have always been together in peace. But came this issue on Yoruba nation, and Yoruba nation is segmentizing the Muslims in Yoruba land as being slaves of the Fulani or slave of the Arabs, so or slave of Saudi Arabia people. And this is not correct. Islam is a universal religion. The Arabic language for Muslims through our practice of our religion is a universal language. They want to use it to create problem so that the Southwest that enjoy peace and business development.
Other parts are running here. Other parts of the country are running.
Other parts of the country are running here because they feel that if they should burn Yoruba land, then they will succeed in ruining Nigeria and bring about disintegration. This issue needs the attention of the president, and as we scholars, we stood by him for him to become the president of Nigeria. We hope that the people he is bringing close to him, we hope that they will not ruin him. And this go back to history. In Ottoman Empire, when the Sultan Abdulhamid didn't want, he put closer his enemies, and they the one that ruined him. So the issue of Sharia, as we have said, Sharia is part of Islam. If they don't know, the ignorance is this: Islam is two things: faith and practices. Faith, believing in Allah, then after that emanated from it to carry out the instructions of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So that we are offering is part of Sharia. The fasting that is coming out is part of Sharia, unless they are saying directly that you Muslims in Yoruba land, we don't want you to be Muslims again. So you must be Seshe, and that is not possible. We are Muslim by conviction, and they cannot claim that they are better Yorubas than us. Many of us, we are from royal family. If you want to categorize Nigerians, Yorubas people's position, being the genuine people of Yorubas, many of us, we are from the royal family. We can be kings. If it is true, being a hero, the Baloguns, many of us in our own lineage, we were the Balogun that rescued the existence of Yoruba land up to now. If that is what you want to use to clarify that you are true Yoruba, you are not true Yoruba. And if it is true, this magic that they are doing, most of our forefathers saw the truth and left the falsehood called Isheshe and come to Islam. So they don't have any Yoruba things in them more than us, maybe less than us. So therefore, we pray that our president will listen. This plot is being made in order to ruin him. They were able to ruin the ambition of Abiola. He has entered, he's in Aso Rock. I believe they want him, they want to destroy him, but they are already giving him bad names. We know him, and as we are not fighting with anybody, but we are asking for the right, and we are reminding our president the promise he has given to Nigerians and the Muslims. Now Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala help us. Salam alaikum.